Hey, baby, let me help you. Let me help you here. Okay. What did you say? Look at its face. Oh my God! Oh, baby, you look purple. What's wrong with you? Oh my God, are you choking? Choking with the cat? No, she's not responding. What are you doing? You mean, what did you say? Put mask back? Oh my God, I'm so stupid. Oh baby, I shouldn't take it off. Wait, baby, just wait. Oh my God, baby. Oh, you turn up. Oh my God, don't you do this to me again? Okay, just sit here. And what you have been doing like that? What? I can't hear you. What? You say you can't see us? Fine. This is what you get when you get married with a man. Oh, what did you just say? Oh, you bring out a great question. If I ask you something else, how are you supposed to eat? Oh, let's see. Oh, look at what I've got here. A blender! Sweetheart, don't you think this is the greatest invention in human history? Let me just help everybody. Nothing can make it hard for a smart wife in this family. We are going to have a meal. Yeah, just wait a second. Just listen to a beautiful song. What we have here, we can totally drink it. Just drink it. What did you say? You say you can drink it? Look what I have here. Don't you think this is the second great invention in human history?